Here's how to change your account location on Roblox. Sign in to roblox.com, click the Settings icon and open Settings. Scroll down to Account Location. If a dropdown is available, simply select your correct country and save the changes. If the dropdown is grayed out or not available, you need to contact Roblox support. Go to roblox.com/support and fill in your Roblox username, first name, and the email linked to your account. Select your device and choose Bug Report as the reason. In the description, explain clearly that your account shows an incorrect location and state what it currently shows versus what it should be. Submit the form. Roblox support will review your request and may ask for proof of your location, such as an official document. Once verified, they can update your location manually. Response times vary, but most users hear back within a few business days. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.